Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we'll be talking about the best Kawasaki badminton shoes, designed to elevate your game with their innovative features and top-notch comfort. Let's get started. Product features: cushioning and shock absorption. The Kawasaki badminton shoes come equipped with superior cushioning and shock absorption technology. This ensures a comfortable bouncing experience, reducing stress on your feet and enhancing agility during fast-paced matches. Soft mesh surface. Featuring a breathable mesh upper, these shoes promote excellent air circulation to keep your feet cool and dry. The soft mesh surface helps eliminate sweat, preventing discomfort during long games or intense training sessions. Honeycomb rubber outsole. The honeycomb rubber outsole is a standout feature, offering enhanced grip and a strong anti-slip effect. Whether you're playing on wooden or synthetic courts, these shoes provide the traction you need for quick movements and sharp turns. Damping TPU design. The inclusion of a TPU shock absorption design ensures that impact forces are evenly distributed. This feature helps alleviate strain on your joints, allowing you to play longer without discomfort or risk of injury. Pros: exceptional comfort. The cushioning and shock absorption provide unmatched comfort for extended play. Breathable material. The soft mesh upper ensures proper ventilation, keeping your feet fresh and sweat-free. Outstanding grip. The honeycomb rubber outsole offers reliable grip and prevents slipping on various surfaces. Impact protection. The TPU shock absorption system minimizes strain on joints and reduces the risk of injuries. Durable build. Made with high-quality materials, these shoes are built to withstand regular use and intense gameplay. Cons: limited color options. The design may not appeal to those looking for bold or flashy color choices. Break-in period. Some users might find the shoes a bit stiff initially, requiring a short break-in period for optimal comfort. Final thoughts. The Kawasaki badminton shoes are a fantastic choice for badminton enthusiasts looking for a combination of comfort, durability, and performance. With features like superior cushioning, breathable mesh, and excellent grip, these shoes cater to players who want to enhance their game without compromising on comfort or safety. While the price might be higher than entry-level options, the advanced features and durable design justify the investment, especially for regular players or professionals. Check the price using the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more insightful reviews. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next video.